Hello and welcome to the final Stuff TV video from the Consumer Electronics Show 2010. The doors are now closed and the show is over for another year. So let's have a look back at the products of the future. It was hard to move at CES for all the e-readers that were looking to build on the success of Amazon's Kindle. Brands from iRiver to Samsung showed off e-readers with extra functionality like colour screens and text-to-voice. But most impressive was Notion Inc.'s prototype Atom, which can seamlessly switch between low-powered grayscale e-reading and fast-moving colour video. Microsoft announced Intel-powered Windows 7 running slates, such as this HP slate, but will they be enough to take on Apple's highly anticipated iSlate, which is expected to arrive later in January? Perhaps not. Perhaps the biggest rivals are the cool tablets running Android and powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon chip. Tablets like the T-Mobile Vega. But full marks of creativity to Asus, whose e-keyboard puts a computer, a touchscreen and wireless video into this slim, QWERTY keypad. Google's announcement of its Nexus 1 smartphone before CES overshadowed most of the mobile phones at the show, but there were some cool phones to see. It seems Motorola has finally found its mojo again thanks to Android. The Milestone and Dex will soon be joined by the Backflip with its rear-facing keyboard and trackpad that sits behind the screen. Lenovo was doing Android too with its Le Phone, aimed at the Chinese market. And prize for wackiest phone has to go to LG for its Expo Mobile with add-on projector. Because, you know, you need a projector on your phone. But it was 3D TV that was the biggest story of the show, with pretty much every major TV manufacturer announcing their own 3D sets. Some of them used different technologies. LG, for example, used the same polarizing glasses as the cinema, while Sony and Samsung opted for more expensive active shutter glasses. But one thing's for sure, there will be 3D TVs in UK stores before the World Cup this year. Although LG opted for the same polarizing technology that's used in cinema 3D, Sony and Samsung were offering active shutter glasses for better quality, but with more expensive eyewear that looks even dorkier when you wear it. Fortunately, both systems will work with Sky 3D, which is due later this year, but expect to pay between £2,000 and £3,000 for a new 3D TV. And the most wanted gadget of the weekend? Well, that has to be Samsung's very, very cool touchscreen remote control that not only allows you to choose what you want to watch on your TV, but allows you to stream it via Wi-Fi to the remote. Well, that's it for this year. CES 2010 is over, but keep your eyes tuned to stuff.tv to find out how many of these gadgets become a reality.